This is the easiest way to digitizing the old-fashioned negative. Just use your smartphone and follow the simple straightforward steps for 2 minutes. Hope it works for you too and bring your memories back. Download Filmbox by PhotoMine apps from App Store or Google Play. Tools you need to prepare: a smartphone, a film holder which I DIY myself, a piece of glass which is my iPad glass protector, a LED lamp or any white light sources, a cartoon box to secure the LED lamp. Prepare a piece of white plastic card and cut out a square size slightly larger than the 35mm negative image size. Place 2 pieces of plastic card above and below the hole to hold the negative like a track. Double-check the size is slightly larger the image size. This is my whole setting of the negative film scanning that works quite efficiently. I use my old iPhone 7 which capture pretty decent picture quality. I believe a latest smartphone will do a better job. Switch on the LED lamp and you can see the image display in positive instantly. Tap on the Filmbox scan button and let the apps do its business. Boom. The apps already scan the image and crop automatically in seconds. The Filmbox apps provide some simple retouching feature to enhance the photo, however I want some further enhancements which I need to do it by Lightroom. Let's play around with different combinations that works better for your needs. After the Lightroom enhancements, the picture looks pretty good. The picture quality is close to the one I scanned by a DSLR camera a few days ago. You can watch it from my channel if you are interested. This picture was scanned by the DSLR camera with more color, sharpness and details. If you look closer to the letters on the car's license plate and the letters on the tram, it is a little bit loose which scanned by the smartphone. The image scanned by the DSLR camera do a better job overall. However, if you want a faster and simple straightforward way to digitizing the negative films, for sure the smartphone is the winner. Right? Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.